YouTube, what's really good? It is your guy Hitch. Back in January, I promised that I was going to deliver on an Air Max 1 lacing tutorial, and today is the day to deliver that video. For those of you that are not familiar with my channel, if you are looking for videos on how to lace up different sneakers, the playlist behind me has over 14 different lacing tutorials, so check it out. For those of you that are subscribed to the channel and familiar, one, thank you for supporting, but two, y'all know I don't like tying my laces, but I know a bunch of you that do. So for this lacing tutorial, I'm going to give you two different versions, the tied up version and the untied version. These concept heavies from 2022, big time sleepers. Step one, always take your laces completely out. And what you want to do, take your lace tip, go through the lace eyelet from the outside in, and do the same thing on the other side. Once you've done that, you want to make sure that the laces are even and flat. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the 5th eyelet and stop.
Shots tell her chug a lug, roll another Dutch. If she with it, then we boning it.
Once you get to the 2nd eyelet, from there on out, you want to give your laces a little bit of hang time so that your sneakers are not too tight.
One is not enough, nah. Grimmy Henny crown, fuck a double cup. They throwing shade, niggas muscle tough. It's like every day a homicide, bullets through the window like piranha size. Fuck a 9 to 5.
Once you get to the 5th eyelet, now the simple part, just tie your lace.
Traumatized, bullets through the window like piranha size. Fuck a 9 to 5 in a suit and tie. My dog still.
This is it, you're done. The laces are not too tight, they're not too loose. Gives you a nice casual look to them. And you're good to go. So if you're like me and you do not want to tie your laces, all you have to do to make this work, untie them and go to your, skip the 6th eyelet and go to the 7th one. That's it. It's the only difference. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Your engagement and your support continues to help the channel grow and allows me to continue to deliver the content. Also, if you don't want to miss any upcoming videos, make sure you hit that bell notification. And lastly, hit the comments and let me know if there are any sneakers that you do want to see a lacing tutorial for, and I'll try to get that done. I'm out.
I light up a rocket and I fill up on beer. Your baby mama watch my stories, she be wishing she there. Can't afford no Ferragamo, highly favored to give. All black forgotten hoodie with some fresh night gas. My new chick meaner than Cruella DeVille. Slap a bitch for the thrill. Godzilla and Hills. We get pulled over by the cops, she keep my weapon concealed. When we fuck, tell me she love me, I'm the best in the field. Yeah. Unlock my G, now I'm hater proof. Secure the bag, that's my hater noose. Ooh, they watch what that beta do. Middle finger high, fuck a hater truth. Pine box casket, a hater coop. Poof, poof. Pour a few shots, tell her chug a lug, rolling.